This is the National Weather Service in Elko, here to bring you a weather brief for an upcoming winter storm. Confidence is high that a storm will develop late tonight, affecting much of northern and central Nevada early Friday through Saturday with snow. The infrared satellite image from today shows a strong area of low pressure near Washington. Over the next 24 hours, this system will dive to the southeast and position itself across eastern Nevada by tomorrow afternoon. Here is the forecast map for the Friday morning commute. The developing area of low pressure will be located over White Pine County, with a stalled cold front draped across eastern Nevada. Moderate to heavy snow will develop along this boundary and bring widespread accumulating snow to the region. The current hazard map above shows much of northern and central Nevada are under winter storm advisories from Friday morning through Saturday morning. Winter storm warnings have also been issued for southern Lander and Eureka counties, in addition to the Ruby and East Humboldt mountain ranges for the same time frame. The storm total snow amounts are shown in the graphic above. For expected snowfall Thursday night through Saturday afternoon. The highest amounts are forecast to be along the U.S. Highway 50 corridor from Austin to Eureka. In addition, portions of Elko County are also expected to see heavy snowfall, especially across the north and in the proximity of the Ruby Mountains. You can see lighter amounts are also expected along the I-80 corridor, but locally heavy amounts could fall over the higher passes such as Emigrant and Pequot. The heavy snow will be along the US 50 corridor from Austin to Eureka, where 10 to 12 inches is expected. Significant snowfall is also expected across the Ruby and East Humboldt Mountains, where a couple of feet will fall. Lighter snow amounts of 3 to 7 inches are expected along I-80, as well as State Route 227 and US Highway 93. Also, given the timing of this system, the Friday morning commute will be affected in many areas with icy and snow-covered roadways. With the possibility of a long drawn-out event covering a large geographic area, road crews could be busy for a long period of time. Temperatures are also expected to remain below freezing for the duration of the event, allowing untreated roadways to remain slick and snow-covered. In summary, a winter storm will bring heavy snow to portions of the forecast area. This winter storm will dig southeast towards the region, affecting the area late tonight through Saturday. The heaviest snow will fall across southern Lander and Eureka counties, with locally or heaviest snow across White Pine and Elko County. This has been a web brief from the National Weather Service in Elko on a winter storm affecting the area tonight through Saturday. For the latest weather watches, warnings, and advisories, please visit our website at www.weather.gov/Elko. Thank you for listening.